I'm attorney Nick Alcock. In this section we're going to discuss theft and what the theft statute is in Arizona. There are 8 things that you need to know. This is the first of the 8 sections. Theft in Arizona is knowingly controlling the property of another. And in legal terms we have to look at the language of the statute, 13-1802. And in that statute it says that there are 2 very necessary elements. One is that you knowingly have to control. So let's say, for example, that your child put something in a shopping cart. You didn't know that your child put that there, and you proceed through the checkout and it doesn't get picked up. You go to your car and there it is and you find it. You actually haven't committed the crime of theft because you didn't knowingly control it, assuming that when you find it you return it to the store. The other is that the property has to be of another person and the intent has to be to deprive. So, for example, let's say that you borrow a tool from a neighbor and quite honestly you forget to return that tool. The neighbor calls the police and says, hey, this guy stole this tool from me. Well, the police have to prove that there was intent to deprive, that it wasn't just, well, you forgot about it, you wanted to return it, but you simply forgot about it. So those are the elements of theft, and every case is different, and you do have to look at those elements. Was this property of another person? And did the person who allegedly took it, did they knowingly take it? And then was there intent to deprive? So those are the elements of ARS 13-1802. In the other sections we'll talk about the specific elements and other ways you could be charged with theft.